Now when it comes to installing deadbolts, right, or for that matter, installing new locks where you actually have to cut a hole in the door, a lot of attention gets put on the jig that's used, right? And well, for obvious reasons, right? You have to make sure the hole on the door itself is perfect. But what doesn't get as much attention is installing the strike plate. Now, of course, for decent reasons, when it comes to wood jams, well, it's pretty simple, right? There's a lot of different tools and methods that you can chisel out, put in, and make it look amazing. But when it comes to the metal jams, right, the hollow metal jams, well, that's a little bit of a different story. And I wanna go over some really, really simple, easy to use kits that can make your job much easier. Now, for example, when it's time to install a deadbolt on a hollow metal door and frame, you could get lucky and you could look at the jam and you could see something like this, right? It's all prepped, ready to go. You just have to align your hole on the door perfectly to fit it and well, you're done. It's easy. Put the strike plate on and that's that. But what happens if that's not the case? So I want to show you two different options, all right? The first option is this thimble strike. Okay, there's gonna be applications that once you put that 1-inch hole into the hollow metal frame, all you're gonna have to do is just put this thimble strike in. You literally, it's an inch diameter, and as you can see right here on each side, you're gonna see like these little bumps, and that's gonna make sure it keeps it snug in the door once you get it in there. So you'll be able to get it in most of the way, then you're gonna have to put like a piece of wood or something over on the side, and then just like with your hammer, just gently tap it in, and you're gonna be good. Now it does come with a screw. If there's any sort of wood or a metal or something, you could screw it in. So this makes a great option. But let's go a little more in depth. Now, the good part is these kits I'm about to show you are made by major manufacturing. Now, I'm gonna be going over just the standard strike plate one. However, they're made for T-strikes, for ASA strikes. There's even universal ones that you could just use on really any application. Now, the good news is I'm gonna put a link in the notes below and you can check out, and the link will go to all of them that are available. I tell you what, they're really handy, but let's go into depth a little bit with one. All right, now what this is a bracket. Now, this bracket is going to allow you to install the strike plate right on top of it, and it's gonna look perfect. You can get them for all sorts of different strike plate applications. All right, this is just gonna, this one here is just for your standard like tubular latch strike. Now, as you can see here, you're gonna see the bends in it. So that way, after you get it installed, the strike plate will sit nice and flush, just like, you know, the standard factory would. Now, what makes this even better though, okay, is not only do they provide the rivets, but really what makes this even better is this template that they give you. Now at first it just looks like a piece of paper, but it's actually a sticker where you can actually take it, go and stick it on the door over the hole, and you're gonna get everything perfect because this is what you're gonna do. You're going to stick this sticker on over the hole of where you want it, and then you're going to cut out for the strike. Once you do that, you're gonna see these 4 holes here, which represent the 4 holes on this bracket here. And once you have those drilled, you're gonna be able to get this bracket put in the door, and then you're gonna be able to go ahead and use the provided rivets to secure it. At that point, you're ready to go. You just screw in your strike plate, and as you can see, they already have the holes and they're already tapped. They're just ready to go with your standard strike plate screw. Now, how cool is that? I tell you what, you know, for a company like Major to be making just these little tiny parts for smiths like ourselves that really just speed up the job and make it much easier. So make sure you check out the link with all the different ones so the next time you find yourself with a metal door jam, you have the kit to get it done and to make it look professional. But I'd love to know what you think in the comments below, and make sure that you include the hashtag Lockboss to automatically get entered in to win one of 5 free prizes we give away each week here on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.